Hey guys, today I'll be showing you what products I got for my home racing simulator, which will be going onto my Playseat Evolution Alcantara Pro, which include the steering wheel, the wheelbase, and the pedals. And so what I've chosen is this. I've gone for the Fanatec CSL Elite Wheel Advanced Pack for the Xbox One and PC. Now, this wasn't an easy choice for me to make because for products like this, there's two major companies that really stand out for home racing simulators. One is Fanatec and the other is Thrustmaster. Now for me, the differences between Fanatec products and Thrustmaster products are very small because they both produce great wheels, bases, and pedals. But for me, I sort of broke it down into three sections which gave Fanatec the edge. Firstly, I was thinking about long term because these products do not come cheap and I wanted a reliable option that would hold me out for a couple of years and not break down in a couple of months. And unfortunately, Thrustmaster tend to go into that section. If you just do a quick Google search, you'll see loads of messages about the wheelbase overheating after 7 months, meaning you have to go get it repaired, meaning more cost implications. Whereas with Fanatec, you don't tend to get that many online messages about it overheating. So for me, Fanatec was the more reliable option. Next was the actual mechanics that go into a wheelbase, and in this one you've got a brushless servo motor with a single belt. And for those who don't know, the single belt is a more reliable option to give you more detail on your track and more of your car's handling and G-force, which you don't tend to get with other motors. Thrustmaster also do a brushless servo motor as well, but this is standard for Fanatec, and so that wins it for me. And finally for me, it does also come down to its design, and for me there's no competition between Fanatec and Thrustmaster. I think Fanatec looks amazing and wins straight out the bat. I mean, on the steering wheel here you've got aluminium, you've got Alcantara, you've got this awesome red stitching, and on here as well you've got this amazing colour palette. And on Thrustmaster products, personally I just feel it looks like cheap plastic. It might not be the case with the products, but it just looks too plasticky for me, a little bit like a kid's toy, whereas with this, it looks the part, it looks professional, and once everything's all set up, it makes you feel like a proper race car driver. But those are just my thoughts. Feel free to disagree with me in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your opinions on this, but I'm gonna finally get this all set up now and complete my home racing simulator. So first up, I'm gonna attach the wheelbase onto the playseat using 3 bolts. So that's nice and secure. Next, the steering wheel. The next stage is to attach the pedals onto its base, and for this setup I'm just going to have just the gas and the brake. I've got the option to have a clutch if I want to in future, but for now I'm just not going to have it on. Right, so that is the pedals now attached onto the Fanatec base. It's now time to put this onto the playseat base. So that's the pedals now attached onto the rig. The only thing left to do is just plug it all in and get racing. And there we go, that is my home racing simulator rig now complete. I'm so excited to do some races on this and make some great videos for you guys. But the next video you'll see the simulator rig is in my new series, Lap It Up. And the next video will be the first ever episode of the series. I've been working on it for a couple of months now and I really hope you enjoy it. But thank you ever so much for watching. If you want to be ready for Lap It Up, make sure to click subscribe at the very top there. And if you want to see how the rest of the rig got built, then make sure to click the bottom video link at the bottom there as well. But thanks ever so much for watching and I'll see you next time.